Sister love, why don't you break it up? You gotta let someone look into your heart, eh? Sister love, how do you keep it up if you don't let no one look into your heart, eh? As a kid, you were so serious but always so smart, eh? As a kid, you couldn't keep it up, and we were never close, so much apart, eh? Here comes the sun, smiling. How long have you been blue? There'll ever be a time for us to recapture all the time we lose. There was a time when you were being so proud. Could have been anything that you aspired. There was a time when you were never around, but something good happened right. So sister love, I'll help you off of the ground. You gotta let someone look into your heart. You gotta turn the situation around. You gotta turn this to a song. Cause the sun, smiling. There'll ever be a time for us to recapture all the time we lose. 'Cause it's plain to see, storm is not the weather. And I'm telling you, girl, you look at them and smile. And I'm telling you, girl, you look at them and smile. Seven days you should be giving yourself all your belongings, all that you treasure. 7 months you and nobody else. Is this what you want? Is this what you are? How did it come this far? Here comes the sun, smiling. The only thing that's true. Can tell me now. There'll ever be a time inside, it's slowly changing in me. Will you give it to me? Looking at my own reflection, when suddenly it changes, violently it changes. Oh no, there is no turning back now. You've woken up the demon, the enemy. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it run to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucker, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. And this is the gift that has been given to me. I can see inside you, the sickness is rising. Don't try to deny what you feel. Will you give it to me? It seems that all that was good has died and is decaying in me. Will you give it to me? It seems you're having some trouble in dealing with these changes, living with these changes. Now the world is a scary place. Now that you've woken up the demon, the enemy. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. Open up your hate and let it run to me. Get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You mother, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. You fucker, get up, come on, get down with the sickness. And this is the gift that has been given to me.
Oh yeah! How are you?
It was great.
Yeah?
I loved it. I'll do it again later.
Oh, congratulations! Nice jump.
Stand up. Yeah.
It's okay? Yeah. Yeah?
No,
I like.
Yeah, I'll open our own academy.
Thanks. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, goodbye. See you
goodbye.
next time.